Hello everyone, my name is Jelson Joseph and today is the day 15th of building a football AI analyst system. Today's date is of 4th of June. So let's get started. I'll walk you through what I did today. So let's get started. See, yesterday as I told you, my goal was to do this add all questions, all possible analysis, all possible visualizations, etc. And before sleeping yesterday only I did this one. Even I ask all questions, all type of possible questions, all type of possible analysis, all type of possible visualizations that we can do. Here it is: event analysis, spatial analysis, temporal analysis, all those things. Okay, uh, etc. Yes, I'll tell you. I'm just skipping it. I'll tell you why. They're all possible UX views, transitions, etc. Analysis layer, workspace layer, interaction layer. All these things are there. Um, then I told it to prepare a document and give me this one, all within the data given STT. Okay, basically I did yesterday's task, but coding out I couldn't do that because coding is not that hard because code can be generated. But if you write, if your design architecture is wrong now, everything will be messed up. That's why I'm not writing code. That's the main thing here. Anyone can write code nowadays. I even gave it the Jarvis query taxonomy. I gave it the 138 questions as I told you to give more context. All this combined, I told it to give me more proper this one. So then what we do now. Tell me in simple. I was getting frustrated today. Okay, do that, etc. Are we moving towards document after document? I got angry here. Uh, I don't know. Basically today's work, it went after one thing after the other. Here I got frustrated again. Here I just shouted at it. No, 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 just here. And I cursed even, etc. See, basically, um, this project is taking more time. I agree. Um, not as much, not as going as fast as I intended. Okay. And something clicked there. I'm thinking, what am I doing? I'm trying to do all things at once. This should not be that much hard. Also, what am I doing wrong? I'm trying to do all things at once. Even the AI told me that all data questions, all front end, all back end, everything at once. I have to go layer by layer. I think that's my mistake. Many projects I do this main mistake. Then something clicked me. Why not look at the data first? Then I started first exploring the data, understanding the data. Nothing else. Only the row events, tracking away and tracking home. Nothing else. I did not do anything else. Because since the start of the day till this day, I haven't looked at it properly. Not went through it. I know what is here. It's simple, nothing much to understand. There's no much cleaning required actually. But what was the intent? The intent was to, I have to know what two questions to ask. I have to know what the analysis. But I'm asking ChatGPT and I'm asking the AI to find out it for me. I'm not doing the hard mental thinking. So I thought one thing, let's take a step back. Let's take a step back from all this. Let's do data analysis by myself. Let's do proper data analysis by myself. And let's see what I will I will do manual data analysis by myself. There's no AI. Let's assume normal hard code, brute force this um Jupyter notebook and through that and all. So I started with event data today in Jupyter notebook, and I just started analyzing data analysis on this. Uh, which type events have missing subtypes, which events have missing x and y. I started understanding. I started understanding the data here because 1935 records are there. Out of that, some missing values are there. Some this ones are there because this actually see the type of analysis we are doing. Okay, wait, cut for now. So yeah, continuing here. I asked the AI here, ChatGPT itself. No, no, not this one. I asked ChatGPT about what I can do with this data analysis here. This has some memory about building a project about AI assistant. ChatGPT has a memory about that I'm building AI assistant from my history. Anyways, that's not relevant here. I asked what kind of analysis I can do. I can do, not AI. First, let me know what I can do. Because, because I'm telling AI to do all the analysis for me. Some are there, but I'm telling it to find all possible analysis, all possible uh, questions, all possible visualizations, and most of those are advanced. And if I have not walked through it, I don't know how the system works. I'm just it's like it's a black box thing. I'm just telling the AI to build and it's building. That is not real engineering. That's my mistake on my part. I have to correct that. So I have to what I have to do now is I have to go through and do data analysis manually by myself and find out what kind of insights are there in the data by myself. And then after I find out proper analysis, concept is turn it into assistant behavior. I know the input, I know the processing, I need know the output analysis part. I have to just I have to just not just but implement AI assistant like behaviors in this system. That's what my main objective would be. Okay, I think this project is taking too long. It's okay, fine, no problem. Let it take as much as long as it wants. I'll just post every day. That's all. But today's day made me humble. I think more made me more frustrated. I don't know why it's taking too much time. That's why. But let's just go. Let's just carry on with it. This is just a hobby project, so no expectations as much. But I'll just keep doing it. That's fine. So in short, take a step back, analyze data, starting with event data because the event data says a lot. Tracking data also will be saying, but first understand what event data is saying, then go for tracking data. That's the thing. I will know what kind of questions to ask. I'll be in the shoes of analyst, coach, etc. Yeah, so let's go. Thank you for watching. Today was day 15. No long hope now. No long hope in finishing this project early. Just show up every day and continue building. That's all. Thank you. Okay, just before ending, I'll just show you what I did in the analysis at least. First, I imported the data, events data, understood the shape, understood, show the first five records, then ran a dot info command or whatever code I attribute. I understood, got a small like information on this, how many non-nulls, what are data types, how many nulls are there, we can infer from this. Then I ask, I these questions, of course, ChatGPT, I prepared it, not my own questions. Essentially, I have to understand what kind of data. For understanding what kind of insights to do, I have to understand what kind of data and all are there. And this one, I think I should have done this before itself, because this one says a lot. Total 1067 missing type, almost half is missing subtypes. Inference subtype is optional, type is the primary classification, subtype adds extra detail only when available. Which event types have missing and x and y, means thus xy. Events split screen to 2 points. um, Movement events movement means I pass from a to b, xy will be their ending. Point events like yellow card there won't be some xy. Your kickoff or like goal kick, some kind of events, there won't be this one xy. Which events have x universe missing two. Challenge has two columns, missing values will be there, two column. Only some event type uses it. Why some start X are missing? Those are administrative events thing. This one start, and if start is missing, end is also missing. That's why I'm. That's what I think is correct here. If start is missing but end is there, something wrong with the data. And I think most of the data is clean metrica. Let's see. Referee throws visuals throw in yellow card shown. The data records the event occurred, but not necessarily where. You don't need to know which place yellow card was given. Yellow card foul will be recorded, but not yellow card goal kick. Anyways, so yeah, this was what I did. I'm going slow, but I'll do it. More insights. First about data set, then about football related, more derived data, then include tracking. Then after it we'll do visualizations and all. Not do predictive possibly for now. Let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching.